Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Gajendra Kain. I'm as a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is waste collection components and storage containers and collection vehicles. Let's see what are the contents including in this topic. Introduction, waste collection components, storage containers, collection vehicle types of waste collection, importance of proper waste collection, finally conclusion. Let's see the introduction. Before that, please subscribe and like. Let's see the introduction. This presentation aims to provide an in-depth analysis of waste different storage containers and collection vehicles available in order to optimize waste collection efficiency. By this end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of a key factors to consider when selecting the most appropriate equipment for your waste management needs. Next, collection components. Collection components is nothing but various elements and process involved in collecting and gather waste materials for proper disposal or recycling. The factors that influencing the waste collection system include the following. Let's see. First one, collection point. Collection points is nothing but designated location where individuals or businesses can deposit their waste from collection and proper disposal. Those asset such collection systems components are as crave size and storage, which ultimately control the cost of collection. Collection points depend on the locality and may be residential, commercial, and industrial. Second one, collection frequency. Collection frequency is nothing but regularity with which waste is collected from a particular location or area. Climatic conditions are requirements of a locality as well as containers and costs determine the collection frequency. In hot and humid climates, for example, solid waste must be collected at least twice a week, as decomposing solid waste reproduce bad odor. While deciding collection frequency, we must consider the following. First one, cost. Example, optimal collection frequency reduces the costs as it involves fewer trucks, employees, and reduction in total route distance. Second one, storage space. Example, less frequency conditions. Collection may be required more storage space in locality. Third one, sanitation. Example, frequency collection reduces concerns about health and safety. We can see the waste collection frequency bar graph. Third one, we have to see storage containers. Storage containers is nothing but the storage containers are specifically designed containers used to temporarily stores waste materials before they are collecting for proper disposal or recycle or treatment. Proper container selection can save collection energy, increase in the speed of collection and reduce the crew size. Next point. The most importantly containers should be functional for a amount and type of material and collection vehicles used. While evaluating residential waste containers, consider the following. Plastic bins or boxes are popular storage containers due to their versatility, and cardboard boxes are lightweight and cost efficiency storage containers commonly used for packing, shipping, and temporary storage. And next point, glasses, jars, and bottles are popular for storing food items, specialties, liquids, and other small items. Public health and society is example for the container should be securely covered and collection components in fourth function is collection crew. Collection crew is refers to group of workers personnel responsible for the collection and transportation of the materials from collection points to disposal or recycling facilities. Collection crew plays a critical role in waste management process. Ensure that waste collection is collected efficiency safely. The optimum crew size for a community depend on labor and equipment costs, collection methods and route characteristics. The size of the collection crew also depend on the size and type of collection vehicle used, space between the houses, water generation rate and collection frequency. For example, increase in waste generation rate and quantity of waste collected per stop due to less frequency collection result in a bigger crew size. Fifth one, collection route. Collection route is nothing but predetermined path following waste collection vehicles to pick up the waste from various location points within a specified area. The collection route is designed to ensure efficient and systematic waste collection, the optimizing resource and minimizing travel time. The collection program must consider the route that is collection for waste. Waste collection system follow specific routes and schedules to ensure regular and systematic collection of waste from the residential, commercial and industrial areas. Those routes and schedules are designed to optimize efficiency and minimize the environmental impact of waste collection. We can see the picture waste route how they can collect it from various points to a particular place for sewage treatment as a reproduce a product. Sixth one, transportation. Transportation is nothing but facility where solid waste is temporarily stored before it is transported to its final or processing location. It acts as an intermediate point between the collection of a waste from various sources. In primary purpose of a transfer station is to consolidate and transfer from smaller location vehicles such as garbage truckers and compactors. Transfer stations are intermediate facilities where waste is temporarily stored before being transported to the final and disposal site. Transfer stations are intermediate facilities where the waste is temporarily stored before being transported to the final disposal site. We can see the picture transportation, how they are transferred from one place to another place. Storage containers and collection vehicles. Storage containers is nothing but waste storage is an important component of a waste management system. Waste storage imposes proper containers to store waste and efficient transport of wastes without any spillage of transfer stations or disposal sites. Let's see the first one. Containers are storage bins. Waste bins are containers are the primary storage units used to collect and store waste materials. They are typically placed in residential, commercial, or public areas for convenient waste disposal. Those containers came in various sizes, shapes, and materials such as plastic bins, dumpsters, or specialized bins, or specific types of waste are called recycling bins. Containers are usually handled manually, whereas the larger, heavier ones require mechanical handling. The containers may fall down either of the following two categories. The containers may fall under either of the following two categories. First one, stationary containers. Stationary containers is nothing but those are used for contents to the refer transferred to collection vehicles at least the site of storage. Second one, hard containers. Those are used for contents to be directly transferred to a processing plant, transfer station, or disposal site for emptying before being returned to the storage site. The desirable characteristics of a well designed containers are low cost, size, weight, shape, resistance to corrosion, strength, and directability. For example, a container for manual handling by one person should not have weight more than 20 kg, as it may lead to occupational health hazards such as muscular strain. Containers that weight more than 20 kg when filled, require two or more crew members to manually load and unload the wastes and which result in low collection efficiency. Containers should not have rough and sharp edges and preferably have a handle and a wheel to facilitate mobility. They are be covered to rainwater entering into the solid waste. Communal, typical and communal containers. Collection vehicles. Collection vehicles is nothing but specialized vehicles designed to collect and transport waste material from various sources such as households, businesses, or public area to a designed waste management facility. Those vehicles play a critical role in initial stage of waste management process by gathering waste and preparing it for further handling or purposal. All collections are based on collector and collection crew, which move through the collection area with a vehicle for collecting the waste material. The collection vehicle may be small and simple and large and complex. The most commonly used collection vehicle is the drum trough fitted with a hydraulic lift mechanism. First one, small scale collection and muzzle powered vehicles. Those are the common vehicles used for waste collection in many countries and are generally used in rural or hilly areas. Let's see on the screen the picture it is manpower or muscle power vehicles. They are suitable for densely populated areas with narrow lines where there is relatively low volume of waste generated. Some drawbacks of the waste collection vehicles include limited travel range of the vehicle and whether explore that affect humans and animals. Second one, non-compactor trucks. Non-compactor trucks, also known as standard waste collection trucks, are a type of waste collection vehicle that does not have built-in compacting mechanisms. It is generally required to cover the trucks in order to prevent reduce flying off or rain soaking the waste. Trucks with capacities of 10 to 13 meters are efficient if the distance between the disposal site and the collection area is less than 15 meters. Let's see on the screen. The images are like one man will be dumping the waste from household waste. Third one, compactor trucks. Compaction vehicles are more common those days, generally having capacities of 12 to 15 meters due to limitations imposed by narrow roads. Compactor trucks, also known as garbage compactor or compactor bodies, are equipped with built-in compacting mechanism. Compactor trucks are often used for high-density waste collection such as in commercial areas or densely populated regions. Finally, conclusion. Waste collection components, storage containers, and collection vehicles play a crucial role in efficient and sustainable waste management systems. Optimizing waste collection efficiency requires careful consideration of the waste, different storage containers, and collection vehicles available. By the selecting the most appropriate equipment for your waste management needs and take into account the key factors discussed in this presentation. You will can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your waste collection operators. Overall, the waste collection components, storage containers, and collection vehicles are integral parts of a well functioning waste management system. They contribute the overall goals and reducing waste, promoting recycling and reuse and ensure proper disposal of waste materials in environmentally responsible manner. Thank you.